My name is Swearingen, and this is my Family of Origin project. The most important characteristic of my future family will be unity, love, strong marriage, and good communication, as you can see in the top left of my poster. Unity and a strong marriage can go together because without one, the other won't be present. I want a strong family that will be together through thick and thin and will stay together. Even though family household marriage has gone down in recent years, it has been a dream of mine and my girlfriend's as well to get married to the person you love and be with them until the end. I do see myself being married and in a committed relationship with my girlfriend. You can see the picture in the middle left. My parents stayed together through marriage, and I would like to do the same as well and stay with her. I've always seen myself getting married to the person that I love and live with them for the rest of my life. I don't want a divorce or anything to split up the family. One wedding is all I need, and I don't see us getting a divorce in the future either. I can't wait to have kids. Personally, I want two kids. My girlfriend has other opinions on that, and I at least want one son so someone can carry on my name and just because I've always wanted a son. But of course, I have a kid. I'll be perfectly fine with a boy, girl. If I have two boys, two girls, or a mix, I just want to have someone to I can raise. I just think that we should have the same number of kids as parents. So when the parents are gone, the kids can take their spots. I want to be completely involved in their lives and I want to watch them grow and turn them into amazing adults. College is really when I've been the farthest from my intermediate family, so it was getting kind of hard to get used to that. But geographically, I will have to go wherever a job takes me, as long I know I'll have my kids and my girlfriend with me. But if it means staying near my family in Cleveland or going across the country to California, I'll go where I have to go, but I'll always have at least a good part of my family with me while I go. I would like to try and stay near both of our families as possible, mine and my girlfriend's, because, like I said before, I've never been extremely far away from my family, but things change, and if I have to do what I have to do, then I will do it. Emotionally, I plan to stay close to my relatives and know that they will be there in times when I need them to be. Our family time will be valued for my future family. Growing up, my parents tried to take us on a vacation each summer, and that's something I want to carry on with them. It doesn't mean that we would go somewhere like maybe Disney, or we'd go small, or take a weekend off just to get away during the summer. And I think that everyone deserves some time to go and break out of the normal routine that you have day by day and just stress free and just some family time together. And food and dinners is something that really brings your family together because the big meal is always the center of the main celebrations, like a birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving is centered around that big family dinner meal, and that's something I really want to carry on into my family. For my career, I have goals of trying to be a doctor, but that means I'm going to have a lot of hard time balancing my work and family. But I want to be there like my dad was when I was growing up. He was always around our athletic games, school events, family vacations, you name it. Being a hopeful doctor, this will be pretty difficult to do. And I really don't care how much work I have in front of me. I will always prioritize and take time for my kids, wife, family, whatever, whoever needs it. I want to get my kids into sports, and always been a dream of mine to be a coach in one of their sports that they play. It's important to put your family first before you work because if you put your work first, you're not going to have a family. And jobs are replaceable, but family isn't. And I'm not going to sell my soul to a company that can't love me back like a family can. So it will take some work, but family comes first in whatever I will do, and I'll always keep that in mind. And if you haven't noticed yet, the middle picture is my family, my mom, dad, me on the left, and then my two brothers with us.